What's stopping your MSME from growing smarter, faster, and bigger? Introducing PUA-RISE Robotics and Innovation for Smarter Engineering, a pan-India movement designed exclusively for MSMEs in plastics manufacturing. Explore cutting-edge solutions in robotics, AI, and smart tech. Learn how to access government funding, subsidies, and grants. Turn ESG and EPR into growth opportunities. Build a compliant, future-ready, and globally competitive plastic MSME. PUA-RISE connects you to experts, enablers, and opportunities under one roof. Take the first step towards smarter, tech-driven growth. Join the movement. Join PUA-RISE, where plastic MSMEs embrace AI, robotics, or innovation to become tomorrow's industry leaders.